Apple. Hi, I'm Apple, the crisp and juicy snack everyone loves. Hello, I'm Banana, full of energy and perfect for a quick bite. Hey, I'm Cherry, small but bursting with sweet and tangy flavor. Hi, I'm Dragon Fruit, with my exotic look and refreshing taste. Hi, I'm Elderberry, known for my dark color and healthy punch. Hello, I'm Fig, soft, sweet, and perfect for a nutritious treat. Hi, we're Grapes, a bunch of juicy fun that's easy to snack on. Hello, I'm Honeydew, smooth and sweet, perfect for a summer day. Hi, I'm Indian Fig, also known as prickly pear, with a unique look and taste. Hey, I'm Jackfruit, the largest fruit with a sweet surprise inside. Hi, I'm Kiwi, small, fuzzy, and packed with tangy goodness. Hello, I'm Lychee, delicate, juicy, and bursting with sweetness. Hey, I'm Mango, the king of fruits, rich and tropical. Hi, I'm Nectarine, smooth and sweet like a peach but with my own charm. Hello, I'm Orange, zesty and full of vitamin C to brighten your day. Hi, I'm Pear, sweet and refreshing with a tropical twist. Hello, I'm Quince, a bit tart but perfect when cooked into something sweet. Hey, I'm Raspberry, tiny, vibrant, and packed with flavor. Hi, I'm Strawberry, red, juicy, and everyone's favorite. Hello, I'm Tangerine, small and sweet, a perfect snack in your hand. Hi, I'm Ugly Fruit. I may look odd, but my citrus taste is fantastic. Hello, I'm Velvet Apple, soft, smooth, and sweet as velvet. Hey, I'm Watermelon, the ultimate refreshing fruit on a hot day. Hi, I'm Shigua, similar to watermelon, but with a unique and juicy twist. Hello, I'm Yellow Passion Fruit, small, tangy, and full of surprises. Hey, I'm Zucchini, technically a fruit, often found in savory dishes but delicious in many ways.